Day, long day. My boat. Push out. Standby position. A4, paddles up. Anas forward. Enzo forward. Jeff forward. Timur forward. Sunny forward. A4. See, in A4, put some drama. Right? I want a graceful one. Alright. Hit! You're too fast, Timur. Follow the pace. Follow the pace. Yes, you are the tiger, but the pacer is the trainer. You have to follow. Mara, straight paddle. There you go. Number 9 left. What's your use your legs, number 9. Blue jersey, ma'am, on a white cap. Enzo, your right arm. Yan, straight lang. Good job, bro. Anas, adjust your pulling arm until the end of the paddle. There you go. So nice one. Inject, then pull. Inject. Nice. When hindi coordinated si Mark, kausapin mo. Easy. Mark, yeah, you have to use your legs. Doon mo sa may Cove Beach ikot. Alright, water break. 30 seconds. Diretso doon mo sa may Cove mo iliko. Huwag mo isagad. Pacer, your lungs is too fast. A-form, inject, then pull. Right? Twist and reach. Inject, pull. Do not rush. Alright, guys. Stand by. Lock the pin. Paddles up. Follow the pace. Nice one. Sa pool kayo. On the pool. Engine. Nice one. That's fine, just continue. Come on. Adjust. If too slow, load more. Load. Inject. Grab water as much you can. Ready for 10, Now 2 4 6 8 longs reach. That's the purpose of longs. No splash. Good job, Jeff. Inject and grab water. Full blade. Do not smash the water. Inject lang, Jenny. Inject. Timur. Pacer engine. Catch up. 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 Inject. Do not smash. Up. 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 I-lock mo yung sarili mo, Edrin. Your legs as well. Lock yourself. Up. Up. Nice man. Up. Engine, expect more load from you guys. Inject. Ginamit mo sana yun. Ready for 2-0. Now 2 4 6 8 1-0 2 4 6 8 longs control. Nice one. Enzo, right arm, extend. Anas, 10 more. You can reach more. Come on, guys. Good job, John. JR, masyado kang nakayuko. Yung naka-blue wing, sabi mo yung right arm ilabas. Ikot mo na. Ikot mo na. 2K lang tayo. Angie, you're too fast. It means you're saw-saw. Put load on your paddle. Inject. Your lifting arm should be injecting.